One of Malaysia's most controversial political figures just got a major break in court, again. On the 20th of June 2025, former Prime Minister Najib Razak was officially granted a discharge not amounting to an acquittal or DNAA in a money laundering case involving RM27 million linked to SRC International, a company once part of the now infamous 1MDB fund. That means Najib won't be going to trial for now, but the case isn't over either. So what exactly does this mean for Najib and for Malaysia's ongoing battle against corruption? Let's break it down. Najib has been in jail since August 2022 after being convicted in a separate case involving RM42 million from SRC. But on top of that, he was facing another 3 charges related to RM27 million, which have been pending since way back in 2019. Despite all the time that's passed, the trial never really got off the ground. No clear progress, no date set, just delay after delay. That long silence finally came to a head. Najib's legal team asked the court to grant a DNAA, a special ruling that drops the charges for now without declaring him innocent or guilty. And Judge K. Muniandi agreed. He said the 6-year delay was unacceptable and ruled that letting Najib go with a DNAA was the best option under the law. Basically, the judge said, you can't keep someone hanging like this forever. Najib's lawyer, Muhammad Shafi Abdullah, called the ruling a relief. He said it removed the legal uncertainty hanging over Najib like a sword waiting to drop, and gave the prosecution time to get their act together if they still plan to pursue the case. That's right. The DNAA means prosecutors can still bring back the same charges later when they're ready. This isn't the first time Najib has benefited from a DNAA. In 2024, he was let off another 1MDB-related case due to procedural issues. And in 2023, he was fully acquitted in a separate case about tampering with a government audit report. Some critics say these repeated withdrawals are weakening public confidence in the justice system, especially when it comes to high-profile corruption cases. Opposition leader Rafizi Ramli has already spoken out, urging Malaysia's Attorney General's chambers to explain what they plan to do next. He warned that if the money trail evidence is strong, as many believe, then further delay would only damage trust in the rule of law. He's asking a question many Malaysians are quietly thinking. If someone like Najib can avoid trial again and again, what kind of message does that send? Meanwhile, Najib remains behind bars. He's still serving his 12-year sentence for the RM42 million case, a sentence upheld by Malaysia's highest court. But he's not staying silent. Najib is now trying to get the rest of his sentence served under house arrest. He claims there was a royal order for it, though that's yet to be confirmed, and there's still more to come. Najib is currently involved in the biggest 1MDB trial of all, with closing arguments expected in October this year. That means we could see another dramatic twist in just a few months. Now, here's something to think about. Should prosecutors be allowed to delay serious corruption cases for years without going to trial? And what happens when the public starts losing faith in the system meant to hold leaders accountable? If you find this interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel 2230.